Petrol ain't cheap these days. Bring sandfly repellent here too. There's a river over there and there's fucking sandflies everywhere. Good morning everybody, this is Super Amazing Lupin Search Aotearoa. Today is all about decisions. Which way do we go? Do we zig or do we zag? So this video is really useful if you're Googling it and you want to find out about where to see the lupins in New Zealand and when to see them. We're videoing these next 5 videos at the end of November, beginning of December. Do you think we're going to find lots of lupins?
I think so.
We're going all through North Otago, the Canterbury High Country.
Yes.
Do you think we're going to find the yellow ones?
I hope so.
It's supposed to be yellow ones in Wanaka. See you down there. Bye bye Scotty. See you in 5 days. See you. Well, welcome to Pudding Hill to Awa Awa Reserve. We're here because Backpacker Guide said there'll be lupins here. I went to the backpackerguide.nz website and we decided to come here. To be honest, we're only going to come here for a few minutes because we don't have a lot of time. We've got to get down to Marama and the ground is completely muddy and sodden and wet, and I'm not going to just... I've still got to drive, you know. Wet feet this early in the day. But there are a lot of beautiful rhododendrons around here. Let's have a look around. So it turns out this place is kind of like a rhododendron park. I mean, it's all rhododendrons here. I don't know if there's lupins. We haven't seen any, but if there are, they could be way up on the top of the hill. But we just don't have time to go see them right now. Anyway, onwards. Oh, bring sandfly repellent here too. There's a river over there and there's fucking sandflies everywhere. Welcome to sunny Geraldine. It's not sunny, it's cloudy and miserable. Actually, the last time I vlogged in Geraldine, the weather was like this that time as well. Anyway, we've got a decision to make. Do we go through Twizel, Tekapo, down to Omarama, where the weather's going to be cloudy and possibly a little bit of rain? Or do we head over to Oamaru and see Oamaru? Tekapo it is. Well, we made it. We have definitely made it. We went all the way through the Burks Pass and there was really no lupins there, unless you count this to be the Burks Pass. We're only about 10 kilometers out of Tekapo right now. Well, we found it. Achievement unlocked. We found the lupins. And this is just the first of many. We've got a lot of lupins to see.
Well, I'm getting tired working hard every day.
main problem is it's super windy and it's cold. It's the end of November, beginning of December. It's supposed to be warm and sunny, and boy, it feels like winter. Whew. You know, I've got kind of a goal to swim in the 3 glacial lakes as well. Don't know if I can manage it in this cold weather. Ooh. Cold water and cold weather. Welcome to Lake Tekapo, one of New Zealand's 3 main glacial lakes. This is what you call doing something either very brave or very stupid. Very brave or very stupid. Alright, bottoms up.
Yes, that's me in the long Cadillac. Getting down the road and I ain't coming back. Ain't no red light gonna make me stop. When I find
Actually, the biggest problem is it's not even so much the temperature, it's just rocks, you know, and you just I fell over. So yeah, achievement unlocked. Let's go to the warm pools now. That would be great. Wow, that was a real Tekapo. Let's go into the hot tub. Yeah, there's a whole little local political situation going on here in Tekapo. It's been going on for a wee while. They've got sort of an overload of tourists, and it's at the stage now where they're doing construction to put up fences and things around the sheepdog statue and the Church of the Good Shepherd down there. No drones. Look at that, fences to keep the people out. So inviting, putting up fences. Stop you getting in the church. So there's the sheepdog statue. They're putting up fences over there as well. And you look at it and it's just like, I can see what you're doing, but yeah, way to go, you know. Good way to turn people away, you know, scare people off. Good going there, city of Tekapo. Jerks. Now we're talking. This is a real swimming pool. Every time you go travelling, you're forced to make decisions. You run into obstacles and difficulties. Earlier today, it's bucketing rain as we go through past Geraldine, and we're thinking, where are we going to go? I mean, the forecast is dodgy either way. So you make a decision and you stick to it. We decided on Tekapo. I think it's worked out to be a good decision. I also had to make a decision to come here at a time later than I would have preferred. I wanted to do a show weekend, and then I found out that I wasn't going to get a 3-day weekend. And yeah, had to make a decision, had to make changes. Roll the clip. Let's get out of here and see the rest of Tekapo. Actually, this whole area here, Neil Anderson Way, down by the waterfront, going towards where the ice skating rink is and snow tubing and stuff, and hot poles. Enormous patches of lupins down this street. The other end of town, they've gotten rid of quite a lot of them, but here, there's heaps. Petrol isn't cheap these days. $80. Achievement unlocked for a pain at the pump. Welcome to our humble abode. This tiny little shed. It's where we're staying for the next 4 nights.
Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Nice. Big. This is a apartment.
Garage.
This is an apartment in Hong Kong,
The
right?
storage.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the storage.
Yeah. This is like the size of an entire apartment in Hong Kong. Little box. Well, honestly, we actually drove past a hell of a lot of lupins today. We just didn't have time to see them all. You know, it's about 7 o'clock at night now, and it's time to wrap things up for the day. We've run out of time. Tomorrow, I think we're going to be going to Oamaru. There and back again, an Oamaru tale tomorrow. In the next video, we get to see Travelling K. Tune in.